Hey guys, get ready with me. I just took a shower and washed my hair, and today we're going out with my friends. I'm just gonna use this hyaluronic acid. So basically, I've been going to school for about 2 weeks and I'm just going out with my friends. We're going out to eat pizza. It's pretty casual actually. I already have my fit plan, but I didn't put it together. I just have it in my mind, so hopefully it will look good. What is that? Messed it up. It's currently 3:40 p.m. I'm supposed to be there by 4:15. I'm gonna be there by 4:15. I'm trying to do a very ASMR aesthetic vibes. Let's not forget sunscreen. Blending that in. The arms. Here's without the filter. Let's put on some primer. I'm using the e.l.f. Power Grip. The fact that I'm not talking in this video, because every time I talk, it becomes a 7-minute video. So I'm avoiding talking and being more a very aesthetic, go ready with me account. Let's put on some concealer. Let's put on some blush. I love this stuff. The 1 Dot Rule is literally the best tool to ever exist. Blending with a brush because I cannot use a beauty blender with the Rare Beauty blush. It literally soaks up all the product. Also, my hair is wet, that's why it looks like that. But let's set our face with some Laura Mercier powder. Literally my favorite powder ever. How do I forget our favorite Benefit bronzer, because it's literally the best bronzer ever. Let's do some eyeliner. I did a little trick beforehand. Anyways, I'm using this better than Too Faced eyeliner. Let's do it. Ooh. Is it even? It's even. Let's do my lashes now, just curling them up. My fit is gonna be so fire today. Also, I got this new palette as a gift and we're gonna use it today. Here's how it looks like. I'm gonna put on some of this bronzy eyeshadow on since it doesn't look bad at all. Just a little bit around my eyelids. I think it's supposed to be used as bronzer, but who cares? This is such a cute palette. I love it. This is the Benefit They're Real mascara. Such a good volume on my lashes. I'm just gonna top it off with this Lash Sensational one. I'm almost out of this, but should I do my under eyes? I always do my under eyes. I'm just gonna do it just a little bit. That did not just happen. My makeup day was going so well. I'm just gonna wait for that mascara to dry, and oh my god. And what is this? Ignoring that and going in with the highlight, I'll take it off when I'm I always blend the highlight with my fingers. Ooh, too pigmented. Okay, let's try to take this off with a spoolie. Okay. Is it getting? It worked. I'm just filling in my eyebrows a little bit. I have a little hack with my James Charles palette. This color right here, this one, I'll try to zoom in. This thing. It is so good for lip lining. I am telling you guys. Look at that. Look at that. Let's put on Fenty Heat. It smells so sweet. We're ready. Let's go pick out a fit.